Hello everyone. So today I'm going to introduce you with a very interesting software called Movavi Video Suite. So Movavi Video Suite software is the current renditions of editing programming software. And this video is for HRD professional that aims to create videos for their training program, coaching, conceptualization of a process, and even presentations. The use of this software will help grabbing the attention of the audience in a more effective way, since we all know that employees prefer to learn by watching rather than by reading. On the other hand, to create your movie or slideshow, you don't need to set aside a whole lot of time to study a complicated software, since with Movavi Video Suite, you can create a quality short video clip in just short of time. So why Movavi Video Suite? It is a clear software to create a video and easy to follow. Moreover, it is a software that is transparent and easy and can help HRD professionals develop their video quickly and easily with providing all the aspects needed to include in a video, such as conceptualization, animation, music, colors, or even include a video in another video, as I'm going to show you later on. Moreover, it is not a must to be professional in technology and in the use of software, since Movavi Video Suite has easy concepts and aspects to follow in order to make a clear video and do not take a lot of time. And also, the software is simple and has icons with picture that shows each icons and its purpose of use so that the user will not be confused. So how can it be useful in human resources development? So learning how to make a video is very important in each RD domain, since we are working a lot with technology and animation, and it is more about grabbing the attention with making nice and effective videos. And in the context of human resources development professional again, for instance, in a training program using computer-based training model, the use of videos is very often to show to the trainees the needed skills, basics to avoid by seeing a concrete example and not by reading it in an article or in a text. And it can cost an organization a lot of money to hire a media specialist to create a video for them. However, each RD professional can be self-sufficient if they learn how to create a video by themselves, and it will be beneficial for them by saving them time and costing them less money. So now I'm gonna show you how to use the software. So it is very easy. So you just click on, you of course first you download the software, then you click on import, you add the media that you want to change or that you want to create. So we're gonna take as an example, we're gonna edit videos. So I'm gonna take, for example, human resources TV and film video. Again, it takes some time to get added in the software. Then you can, for example, uh, put the video in a chronological aspect, like here, for example, you can see every minute and second of the video, and you can crop the aspects that you don't like, for example, or even add music. But I do prefer the storyboard aspects because I find it easier. So we're gonna put the video here. And if I want to make two videos in one video, actually I can. So I'm gonna get back to add another file. HR Basic Learning and Development. And again, it takes some time to get added. And I do the same thing as I did for the first video. Then, to not make my videos boring, I can add some effects. Yes, it is very interesting. So I can add some effects, like for example, I can make it like look old, for example, so you can see the color that differs. And also I can like, well, I'm gonna click on everything so that everything is shown. So I can add some object, flowers, or even gifts or balloons. I can change the color. I can make it look weird. I can cut the parts that I don't like, as you can see. I can adjust the colors. I can make it look in the four aspects. So it depends on the video that you use actually. And you can see that there is so many things that you can do to make your video look more enjoyable. So the most important thing is the transitions. So if you want to make a transition between the first video and the second video that you are using, it's very easy. So for example, I'm gonna take this transition. So as you can see, here is the first picture, and the transition between the second picture is like very interesting and very enjoyable. So I'm gonna put the transition that I like in the middle, so that the two videos that I like to be combined will be like disintegrated. So let's start the video so that we can see. You see? So the transition between the first video and the second one is with the disintegration that I choose. So here you can choose any other um, transition that you want, and you have so many transitions. And again, you can also add some pictures in the video that you want to add. For example, you can find any pictures, or yes, so you can add the picture and add it in the video, like before or after, for example. And so it is a very interesting software to use, and has so many aspects that you can discover. And you can even capture your own you can actually capture your own video and be in the video at the end. For example, if you want to explain to your employees the real content of the video, and you can also capture your own voice if you want to add it in the video. So again, um yes, so it is a very interesting software that you can use. So we're gonna move to what you should do and what you should avoid while using this video. So, um, you should make sure to close all the windows before downloading the program to avoid any disturbance. And you should also store the files you want to use before uploading them directly. You can drag you should drag and drop selected files to the storyboard or timeline in order to start editing video or make slideshows. You do have to make sure to close all tags for more efficient use, so that your video do not block. And you do want to read steps to follow carefully before starting to make a video. So let's move to what you should not do, or you must not do actually. So you you don't upload so many files at the same time so that the software don't get slow. And you don't open Windows to play games or listen to music, since it can block the process of creating a video. You don't use files that are not eligible with the software. And you don't forget to put files in order so that the video don't get in a disorder aspect. And you don't close the program in a sudden way to avoid that the program gets blocked. So, to conclude, Movavi Video Suite is a software to create videos easily that will be very beneficial for HRD professionals to use in many aspects and areas. So, this will be very helpful in human resources development domain to get developed, since learning how to make a video via Movavi Video will be a skill that HRD professional will acquire and will be considered as a plus that will help them in their domain to facilitate all the HRD aspects without having to pay or ask for help. And you can create your video easily in the HRD concept.